Kids Media. Today I'm showing you 5 fast animals. Let's begin. Number 1. Peregrine falcon.
The speed is 390 kilometers per hour.
Number 2. Frigate bird.
The speed is 153 miles per hour.
Number 3. Cheetah.
The speed is 128 kilometers per hour.
Number 4. Brazilian free-tailed bat.
The speed is 100 miles per hour.
Number 5. Sailfish.
The speed is 70 miles per hour.
Thank you for watching Kids Media. Hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe, hit the bell and like. Don't miss any of my other videos. Stay on the smart side of life.